Okay. Okay, I gotta get a gun. Oh, there's a guy right there. What? Wait, what? Whoa! Cool! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, wow! Another drop? Cool! Another drop! Damn! Cool! Yo! What up folks, Pete here, and today we're gonna do a little unboxing. Something random dropped on my balcony, as you guys saw. Cool! From Nvidia and Asus actually sent me over some stuff. I have no clue what is in this thing right now, so I think it's time to unbox it. We also got a screen. We'll get to that in a second, but let me try to unbox without having a camera person. This is what you would do in real life. All right, it was really easy to. I gotta use this somehow. This is like the perfect birthday gift, post-birthday gift for my 30th birthday. Happy birthday to me in post. Oh, it's still, whoa, all right. So I know my friends at Nvidia said we're gonna send me a graphics card, so I think that's one of the things that's in it. This thing comes out pretty easily. Bubble wrap. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, I got a PUBG backpack with the Nvidia Battlegrounds GeForce GTX Game Ready Pack. Wait, what is this?
Postcards. Ooh, Asus 1070 Ti. Another screenshot, that's me. That's my last vacation. It's really cool. Yeah, that's also, oh, it's a guy going on a boat there really fast.
Alright, so really cool like screenshot. The Ultimate PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds airdrop crate. Cool. Cool! Look at this. Look in here. There's a 1070 Ti. Oh man, it's the Asus one. VR ready. I have a 1080, but it's the Founders Edition, so it gets a little hot. I'm wondering if I should change it to this one. Maybe at least try it. God damn, that's cool. Oh, that's the entire crate. But wait, there is more. Because, hold on. What you guys actually have been standing on. Excuse me. What you guys have been standing on as the camera holder is this screen, the PG258 ROG Swift gaming monitor. This bad boy has 240 hertz. This one has 240 hertz. And I have 165 right now, which is nuts already. So 240, 1 millisecond, obviously. It says trace free. G-Sync, that's 1080. I'm playing on 1440p right now, but this one is 24 inch. So I'm definitely gonna set this one up right now, where I think we should try popping that one in too and see what it looks like. I never played with 240 hertz. That sounds insane, honestly. So let's slap it up. Let's do some little changing here on the computer, and it should be good.
All the plastic.
Don't forget to sort out all the plastics and everything so you don't fuck up the oceans, guys. Not even fucking making that shit up. Fy fan alltså. Alright, now we need to freaking fire up a game and test the screen setting out. Holy crap, 240 hertz is insane. So I'm gonna launch the game right now. We got the display setting here. Hold on, let me show you guys. So let's see, adapter options. We got this bad boy to 240 hertz. And G-Sync is enabled. Cool. Alright, let's give it a shot. Let's give it a test drive. Oh, it's so weird. So tiny. I need to get to like sit way closer to the screen if I have this. I should. Not knowing exactly where, like if I'm gonna stay with this, I feel like, I don't know, it's difficult. But it looks so fast, holy shit. I mean, I haven't really decided what to do with this graphics card, but I'm really pleased with the new screen. I gotta say, this would make me play even better. Oh shit, the game is almost over. Oh my god, so easy. Oh shit. Why does it feel so easy? It feels so goddamn easy. I have now finally been able to test the screen properly. I sat down, gamed the game in Overwatch, and the frame rate is just nuts. Like 240 G-Sync on and everything. Here's what it looks like post right now. Post to get the graphics card that well, as I said, why don't you guys suggest what I should do with it? Because I have a 1080 Ti Founders Edition, which gets a little hot in the computer, obviously. I put this thing together a little bit because I want it to be tidy. That's all the plastic over there. I'm gonna go and throw that out. We got the backpack and everything. Thanks again to Nvidia and Asus for hooking me up with this insane crate and the screen. And should I stick with this screen? 24-inch. I mean, I'm gonna game really good, but it's like so tiny. It's like I'm playing on a tiny little screen after getting used to 27, but I love it. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, and also I am gonna try to be more consistent here on YouTube. Not even gonna try, I am just gonna be more consistent. It's gonna be really cool. So hope you enjoyed the video and the unboxing and me sweating, and I'll see you guys really soon.